What is up, guys? It is Dusky coming to you today with a new video. Today we are talking about something that is very near and dear, very close to my heart, something I still struggle with to this day. But first, I made a little purchase. So today's video is going to be recorded on that new little purchase. If you do follow my Twitter, you probably have seen a couple different things from this new purchase that I did. Be sure to check my Twitter out. You'll see it. It's like right, no, it's gonna be, yeah, it's like right there. Be sure to check it out. You can kind of follow my everyday life. But let's go ahead and switch on over to my new purchase. All right, so new camera looks fantastic. I think I look pretty good. You can see I haven't shaved in like 3 months, but you know, my hair is also still terrible. Today we are talking about being confident while making YouTube videos or while Twitch streaming. If you're like most people when you're starting out streaming, you're excited for it, but you're also kind of a little intimidated of the stream, of getting on camera in front of possibly a lot of people. I mean, that's a lot of pressure. But actually, what a lot of people find fun about streams and about watching streamers is they're not professional broadcasters. They know you're gonna mess up. They enjoy that. They enjoy that they're talking to a human and not some person that's a newscaster that never makes mistakes on camera. That in and of itself should give you a little bit of confidence, knowing that people are okay with you making mistakes on camera. That can alleviate some of the pressure on you. But there's also a couple of other different ways that you can actually boost confidence, boost your self-confidence while on camera. And here are kind of some of my things that I do, because I still get the same kind of jitters, the same kind of nervousness, and I'm not very confident whenever I'm talking on camera normally. First and foremost, this is one of the most important things. Be prepared for what you're going to talk about. So you want to have a presentation ready to show people whenever you're talking on camera, whenever you're going to make a YouTube video. You want to have an outline, a script, not an exact script. You don't want to be reading, because if you're reading, then you're going to be saying, if you do a broadcast telling viewers about blah, 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 you're going to sound very robotic, which is not what we want. You want to make notes and you want to follow an outline of just key points that you're going to be talking about on that video. Or if you're streaming, you can have various questions that you're going to ask your audience. For me, I stream Clash of Clans a good bit, which has a whole lot of downtime. So I come up with kind of random questions that you can ask your audience that they would enjoy answering. But having key points instead of reading from an exact script means that you're going to be talking naturally about it. You're going to sound natural. You're going to have natural words that come out. Like I didn't plan to say exactly this whenever I came up with this video. This is something that I'm just naturally talking about. Next up, we're going to be talking about posture. So you want to have your chest out, shoulders back, sitting up straight. This is going to make you appear confident, even if you may have a little bit of jitters. If you're sitting up straight and you're sitting confidently, then people are going to think that you're a confident person and you know what you're talking about. One way to kind of practice this is to stand up against a wall like this with your butt, your back, and your heels up against it, and that'll stand you up straight and you'll feel kind of the stretch. You'll kind of feel yourself starting to breathe a little bit better, and you'll also be able to have a little bit more energy when stream. All of these things actually do help boost your confidence. Another very important one is looking straight at the camera. So if I'm looking over here at one of my TVs that I can see myself in, then it's not really helpful. It kind of disconnects me from you. Or if I'm looking over here, which I understand sometimes you're playing a game and you're looking at the game when you're talking, but if you're ever at a monologue point where you're talking to the audience, you want to look straight at the camera. For instance, on mine, I have, like, you can see the aperture with mine, so it's a very, very small circle in the camera. I look at that, which I'm kind of imagining as someone's eyes. On my old $25 Logitech, there's also a little bit of an aperture there that I can read or that I can look at and pretend that's somebody. And what you want to think of is you want to think of your camera lens as a viewer, because that's essentially what it is. When you're looking into the camera, it feels like you're making a connection with the people that are watching your YouTube video or your Twitch stream, which if they feel a connection, then they're going to feel like, hey, this is my buddy. I'm going to follow this guy. I'm going to subscribe to this guy and listen to what he has to say because we're connected. We're friends. If it still feels weird, just imagine your camera as a friend of yours or a dog or your pet or something. I don't know. Another thing that you can do, and this is something that I would used to do if I ever had like a downtime in a stream and I was kind of feeling bad, like I only had like three people watching, and you know, my body language was starting to kind of go down like this a little bit, and it just wasn't a whole lot of fun at that point. I would kind of take a second, I'd excuse myself, I'd go to the bathroom, I'd take a break from the YouTube video, and I'd go smile. Smiling actually makes you happier. Just smiling. Just if you're in a bad mood, just smile. As much as you don't want to, just take a smile. Just try to smile as genuinely as possible, and it will actually release endorphins, which will make you happy. And it will give you more energy, which makes you appear more confident. When you start to relax, your viewers are going to start to relax a little bit more. If they know that you're on edge, if you're tight and your shoulders are up like this, they're going to be on edge too. They're not going to want to watch you as much. But if you're confident and you're calm and you're happy, then your viewers are going to love you. Also, smiles are contagious, as well as laughs. Laughs and smiles are both very contagious. When you smile or when you laugh, your audience is oftentimes also going to smile and laugh. See, you just laughed, didn't you? Don't lie. I know you did. I know you did. They feel good because you do, and will associate that feeling with you, and voila, they have confidence in you. Another kind of fun thing that I do, boy howdy. Another fun thing that I do is I take a second and I exercise before I actually go live. So I'll do some jumping jacks, I'll do some sit-ups, push-ups, squats. I love doing squats. Squats are awesome. Go for a walk, take your dog for a walk, take your cat for a walk, take your fish for a walk. I don't know. Go for a walk, exercise, get those endorphins flowing. When you do that, you're gonna have more energy. More energy relates directly to how confident you look and how much fun you're having on stream. And sometimes if I have a little bit of nervous energy and I'm just kind of nervous about either making the video or I'm indecisive about something, I'll go like stand in front of the mirror, and I'm pretty sure that my wife thinks that I've lost my mind, but I'll be sitting there and I'll just say, I'll make weird faces. I'll just, okay, maybe we should cut that part out. That was kind of weird. But yeah, that's a bunch of things that I do to basically project confidence and have confidence in myself, bring a positive energy, bring an excited energy to the stream. It's very, very important. As always, I do appreciate y'all watching this video. Hope you like the new camera. I like it. It's been a lot of fun to take some pictures with. I've very much enjoyed it so far, taking some pictures of the kid, the dogs, and all kind of fun stuff. Hopefully it looks good on the video. I guess we'll see with that. But again, I appreciate y'all watching. Be sure to go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video if you liked it. If you want to see some more content like this, some more educational content, I'm trying to grow as a streamer and as a YouTuber. So I want to grow with you guys. You're not going to see anything fancy on this. I'm trying to stay on a budget with my streams and my videos. So I'm trying to kind of give you tips as I'm learning them. So be sure to subscribe for more content like that. And as always, y'all have a wonderful day. I will catch you guys later. Peace.